Hello everybody, I'm Miles Chamley-Watson. I'd love to show you my brand new G63 and my essentials I keep inside. So here, let's open the boot up. I've got fencing gear. My foil, the most essential.
How did you get into fencing?
So I actually got into fencing as a punishment for me. I was kind of a little cheeky bad kid growing up. I picked it up, fell in love with it right away.
Looking forward to competing in Paris this summer?
Yeah, in the summer I've got something going on. You know, it's pretty big. I'm looking very forward to it. I've got my family coming. Hopefully we can go there, make some history. Just give it my all.
Do you have a signature move?
If someone's in front of me like you are, I'm just able to wrap my hand around you and hit you like that into your chest. It kind of happened one time randomly and they named it the Chamley-Watson.
What else do you have in the boot?
I don't ever leave home without at least one of my masks. And then my fencing jacket.
If you could give a ride to anyone in this car, who would it be?
Probably Bruce Lee, Dave Chappelle, because we can laugh. And then my best mate Lewis in here.
Lewis Hamilton?
Yeah.
How's he gonna feel about you driving?
He actually hates when people drive, but I'm driving this one.
What else do you have in your car?
My blue light glasses, since we're always driving, and I look smart, so. Second, music is the most important thing when I start the car up.
What kind of music do you listen to?
A lot of essentials. See right now, Dave. Bob Marley's like after training, put on One Love. We're just smiling the whole way home. So shout out to Bob. Speaking of post-training, this bad boy, my Theragun, this little beast just gets in there. You know what I mean? After practice, I use her all the time.
Do you have anything else in there?
So me being like, you know, attention to detail, this bad boy, I hate when I see any little smudges on my car. I just love a clean car.
How often do you get your car detailed?
Every Monday. I have to have it perfect.
What's your dream road trip in this car?
Maybe Joshua Tree, because I've never been there.
Have you been off-roading yet?
Not yet.
Would you want to?
Oh, I would for sure. The actual car is like a tank. Like you can take this thing sideways. To get a little bit muddy would annoy me, but then we get it clean the next day.
Lastly, what's your favorite thing about your AMG?
Got the Night Plus package on here. Everything's black, but the real star of the show is the engine. The V8 bi-turbo, so you can hear me coming. Tom Phillip made this car, so shout out to Tom. And then, you know, just a simple little, you know, good morning. Yeah! Oh, that's why we fell in love with her.